In a significant legal settlement evolving from a case of mistaken identity by law enforcement, a Colorado jury has awarded a Denver grandmother $3.76 million in compensation. Ruby Johnson, 78 years old, experienced a harrowing ordeal when Denver police, acting on information from Apple's Find My app, mistakenly raided her home instead of locating a stolen truck that was reportedly carrying firearms. The incident, which took place on January 4th, 2022, began when a truck with 6 guns and other valuables was stolen from a Denver hotel. The truck owner used Apple's Find My app in an attempt to track down his stolen items, including an old iPhone 11. The ensuing police operation led to the storming of Ms. Johnson's house, where she has lived for over 4 decades. The app's location services, which utilize cellular, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth data to approximate the location of devices, were mistaken in pinpointing the correct location. During the unwarranted search of her residence, Ms. Johnson was detained for hours, and her home was left damaged and disrupted. Lawyers for Johnson have cited the incident as another example of the controversial use of search warrants by police departments across the United States, reminiscent of the tragic Breonna Taylor case in Louisville, prompting a national rethink of search warrant protocols. Despite the jury's decision and the payout that the city will have to handle, the involved officers, Detective Gary Staub and Sergeant Gregory Bushy, faced no disciplinary action from the Denver police and are still serving in their respective positions. Staub and Bushy were the officers named responsible for writing and signing the search warrant affidavit based solely on data from the Find My app. The situation raises concerns about the reliance on technology by authorities and their training in its use, with Johnson's attorney, Tim McDonald, pointing out the urgent need for serious consideration of citizens' constitutional rights by the police department. No appeal had been filed at the time of this report, and city officials had not provided comments on the matter. For readers interested in further details on the case and its broader implications for privacy, technology, and law enforcement practices, head over to visaverge.com to explore more comprehensive reports and analysis.